Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. This list of products will help you cope with blues and depression. Some foods contain a large number of essential vitamins, minerals and nutrients that accelerate the recovery of the body, both physically and emotionally. Actually, the development of certain disorders can be prevented by the regular use of certain products. Even depression and spleen can be overcome in a natural and safe way, namely, adding to your diet useful foods with incredible properties. In this article we have collected the most effective food products from bad mood and depression, which will help you to improve your life and improve your psycho-emotional state. How to overcome depression naturally. Depression is a rather complex internal disorder. This disease is difficult to treat with natural methods, because depression affects the work of the nervous system and leads to violations in many other internal organs. People suffering from depression experience incredible despair and have a rather pessimistic outlook on life. This incredibly complicates the process of treatment, because of the negative attitude of a person to the intervention in her life and the acute disappointment in the possibilities of modern medicine. They do not allow to get rid of the depressive state efficiently and quickly. The main signs of this mental disorder are a constant feeling of sadness and despair, apathy and low self-esteem. However, do not panic and drop your hands in advance, because you can cure depression. To do this, it is necessary to add to your diet nutrient-rich foods that improve the functioning of the nervous system. Believe, if you regularly use these products, you can quickly improve your health and emotional state. Products from bad mood and depression. 1. Cocoa. Since ancient times, cocoa has been used in many cultures as a powerful preparation and a useful natural product. In addition, due to the high content of phenylethylamine and tryptophan, cocoa is considered to be an incredibly effective remedy for depression. These compounds improve mood and stimulate the production of serotonin, an neurotransmitter, which is responsible for feeling happy. Do not confuse cocoa and chocolate. The composition of chocolate includes a large amount of sugar and harmful fats, and the percentage of natural cocoa in chocolate sweets is quite low. 2. Citrus fruits. All citrus fruits have powerful antidepressant properties. Note that to improve mood, oranges can not only be eaten, but also used as a natural flavor of the room. Essential oils of lemon, grapefruit, orange and mandarin create a feeling of coziness and happiness, so we feel an elevated state when these beneficial substances are applied to the skin. Oranges are one of the most effective means to increase optimism and cheerfulness. However, doctors recommend using oranges in the morning, as they can cause sleep disorders or insomnia if you eat them for dinner. 3. Green leafy vegetables. These types of vegetables are characterized by a high content of magnesium, an indispensable mineral, which positively affects the work of the nervous system and prevents the development of such mental disorders as excessive nervousness and depression. In order to get the most benefit from green leafy vegetables, it's best to eat them fresh. You can add them to salads or cook on their basis natural juices or green dishes. 4. Avocado. Avocados are not for nothing considered a real boss among fruits. This useful fruit contains a huge amount of nutrients. Thanks to this, with the regular use of avocados, you can get rid of not only depressive state and bad mood, but also other internal disorders. Despite the fact that the avocado is characterized by a high fat content, this fruit contains a large number of essential fiber and proteins, so do not give up avocados because of fear of gaining excess weight. 5. Walnuts. When it comes to useful products from bad mood and depression, it is worth mentioning walnuts. They contain a large amount of vitamins and minerals and many essential fatty acids. Thanks to this, walnuts are considered to be an effective natural method of fighting the depressed state. Only one handful of walnuts a day, and you can not only regulate the work of the nervous system, but also strengthen the heart and other organs of the cardiovascular system. 6. Flax seeds. Flax can be used both in the form of seeds, and in the form of linseed oil. This product is incredibly useful and nutritious, because it contains a large number of essential fatty acids omega-3. It is these fats that are needed to maintain emotional stability and improve overall well-being. When buying flaxseed oil, you must choose cold-pressed oil, because it preserves more useful properties of flax. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.